Dear learner, in this video we are supposed to see the example of the sum of dissolution of partnership firm. Now let us understand first of all the question which is given in Sonia, Rohit and Udit are the partners sharing profit in the ratio of 5:3:2. 5:3:2. There are three partners, Sonia, Rohit and Udit. The balance sheet on 31st March 2017 was as follow. Balance sheet of Sonia, Rohit and Udit is given. There are some assets are given. There are some assets. There are some liabilities and the capital accounts of partners are given. And some of the adjustments are given. The firm was dissolved on that date. Close the accounts of firm which is with the following information. Number one, building realized for rupees 1,90,000, bill receivable realized for 1,10,000, stock realized 1,50,000 and machinery sold for 48,000. बुक वैल्यू जो भी हो उसके साथ हमें कुछ लेना देना नहीं है. यहाँ पे बुक वैल्यू दिया हुआ है उसके साथ हमें कुछ लेना देना नहीं है, राइट. लेकिन यहाँ पे जितनी वैल्यू रियलाइज हो रही है वो भी रिकॉर्ड करनी है, बुक वैल्यू भी रिकॉर्ड करनी है. ऑटोमेटिकली डिफरेंस के अमाउंट हमारा प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस बुक हो जाएगा. बैंक loan was settled for 1,30,000. Creditors and bills payable were settled at 10% discount. Rohit paid off the realization expense of rupees 10,000 for which he paid rupees 12,000 for completing the dissolution process. Rohit को हमने 12,000 पे किए हैं to pay the realization expense and he has paid 12,000 for the dissolution process. Prepare the realization account. First of all, we are supposed to transfer all the assets at the book value on the debit side of realization account. So building, machinery, stock, bills receivable, furniture, cash and bank. ये सारी चीज़ें हम क्या करेंगे कैश के अलावा बिल्डिंग, मशीनरी, स्टॉक, बिल्स रिसीवेबल, फर्नीचर, यहाँ तक सारी एसेट्स हमने एट द बुक वैल्यू हमने ट्रांसफ़र कर दी, राइट. इन द सेम वे ऑल द लायबिलिटी विल बी ट्रांसफर टू द क्रेडिट साइड ऑफ realization account. Creditors, bills payable, bank loan, Sonia's husband loan, ये सारी चीज़ें यहाँ पे ट्रांसफर होगी. Creditors, bills payable, bank loan and Sonia's husband's loan. Now we'll see the adjustment, and before seeing the adjustment, let us see the untouched entry, that is general reserve 80,000, that will be distributed between the partners in their old profit sharing ratio on the credit side of partners capital account. And cash and bank is given, that is written on the cash and bank account on the debit side to balance brought down 60,000, right. And the capital of the partners, that is Sonia, Rohit and Udit, that is also written on the credit side of partners capital account at the with the respective balance. Now we are supposed to prepare only realization account and we need to give the single effect because the another effect will come either in cash and bank or partners capital account. But here we are supposed to prepare only the realization account, that is why only one effect will come. Building realize, now जितनी भी वैल्यू से रियलाइज हो रहा हो ना वो हमें अपोजिट साइड, रियलाइजेशन में अपोजिट साइड, यहाँ पे एसेट्स हमने कहाँ पे लिखी हुई है, डेबिट साइड लिखा हुआ है सारी की सारी एसेट्स. अभी वो हमें रियलाइज हो रहा है तो उसको हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा, क्रेडिट करना पड़ेगा. तो बिल्डिंग रियलाइज 1,90,000, बिल्स रिसीवेबल रियलाइज 1,10,000, तो दोनों रियलाइज हो रहे हैं. तो यहाँ पे बैंक अकाउंट बिल्डिंग एंड बिल्स रिसीवेबल, 190 and 110 जो भी वैल्यू से रियलाइज हो रहा हो. Then realizes stock realize 150, machine 48 and furniture 75. Stock, machine and furniture. देखो stock, machinery and furniture at the respective value जो भी realize हो रहा है, right. उसके बाद liabilities जो हमने पे की है, बैंक लोन was settled for rupees 1,30,000. बैंक लोन हमने पे की है 30,000. and creditors and bills payable are paid off 54,000. अभी यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन में हमें कुछ मेंशन करके नहीं दिया है कि सोनिया के हस्बैंड के लोन में क्या करना है, लेकिन हमने देखा था सेक्शन 43 to 55 we have seen that it is regarding the settlement of an account, in which sequence we are supposed to pay the liabilities and liabilities of the firm, right? तो first of all we are supposed to pay the outsiders loan, यानी कि थर्ड पार्टी लोन हो गई ये, तो 1,30,000 we are supposed to pay, तो वो आएगा यहाँ पे सोनिया's husband लोन 1,30,000. एंड उसके अलावा अगर कुछ एसेट्स अनटच्ड है जिसका कुछ सेटलमेंट नहीं हुआ है, एग्जिस्ट हमने कुछ नहीं दिया है, तो वो भी हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा. यहाँ तो सारी एसेट्स बिल्डिंग आ गया, मशीनरी, स्टॉक, बिल्स रिसीवेबल, फर्नीचर, सारी चीज़ें आ गई. अगर कुछ मान लो फर्नीचर का कुछ रियलाइजेशन वैल्यू नहीं दिया है तो वो बुक वैल्यू पे ही हमें रियलाइज कर देने का, यानी कि 80,000 पे ही रियलाइज हो जाएगा. देयर इज नो प्रॉफिट नो लॉस, राइट. इन द सेम वे we have also paid to the Rohit for rupees 12,000, right, for the realization expense. So 12,000 is our expense, debit side of realization account, and partners capital को credit करेंगे. Now after closing the accounts we are come with the loss of 21,500 that is supposed to be distributed between the Rohit, Udit and Sonia in their profit sharing ratio. सोनिया को मिलेगा 21,500, रोहित को मिलेगा 12,900 एंड उदित को मिलेगा 8,600 एंड टोटल लॉस ऑफ द फर्म is 43,000 after all the adjustments, after realizing assets and liabilities are paid off. At the end, firm has a total loss of 43,000, which is divided between Sonia, Rohit and Udit in their profit sharing ratio. It comes to 21,500, 12,900 and 8,600. So this is the way how to solve step by step numeric sum of dissolution of partnership firm. Thank you.